Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and orange lines are coming from. But first thing first, I'm just going to delete all these lines. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore because the price made such a monster movement today. So from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's annotations everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So as far as newest levels of support, first key level, and this is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 108. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 108, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Next level of support, which isn't too far off, but that would be the bottom portion of this little consolidation area down there, right around 104.50. So 108, 104.50, two of the near-term support areas. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.08 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance moving forward? Well, for this, I'm going to change to the daily time frame here because it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. So this is definitely a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the chart's history. But next key overall level to watch, going to be right up there around the 117 mark. And I realize after hours now, the price has been flirting kind of with some of these areas. But I'll just assume it opened somewhere with where it closed. After that 117 mark, then there's just that much more space where it could potentially get up to the 121.50 mark. So again, 117 and then 121.50. I'm going to map out one more because if this one thing goes on another monster move. So after that, next level right up around 126.50. So we'll see what happens with it. Past 3 days have essentially just been straight up. But yeah, I'll be watching it tomorrow, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.